Now we're on rounding decimals using a number line. The instructions say answer 2 questions about the number. Which point is 3.944 on the number line? Okay, so I'm going to find 3.94 first, which is up here. And then this 4 at the very end means it's going to be just a little bit above 9.4. So this one is a little bit above. That is great. This one's a little bit below, so it cannot be. So we know that it's going to be C. Next, it says, what is this number rounded to the nearest hundredth? So the 9 is in the tenths place. The 4 is in the hundredths place. So we're going to use the number immediately to the right to round the number to the nearest hundredth. If it's 4 or below, just don't go. If it's 5 or above, give it a shove. So this is a 4 or below. That means that this is going to stay 3.94 instead of rounding up to 3.95. Okay, next one. Answer 2 questions about point A on the number line. What is A rounded to the nearest thousandth? So this is going to be 3 places to the right of the decimal. So I'm looking at A, and it's either going to be closer to this number or to this number. Well, obviously, just based on the position, it's got to be 6.338. And next it says, what is A rounded to the nearest hundredth, which is 2 places to the right of the decimal. Looking here, I'm going to have to determine if this 3 stays a 3 or if it can be rounded up to a 4. Okay, if it's 4 or below, when we're looking at the one to the right, just don't go. If it's 5 or above, give it a shove. Well, this is 8. Obviously, it is 5 or above. So that means this 3, down here, this 3 is going to turn into a 4. Now, you can also look at the hundredths place on the actual number line here. So this is 6.34, and this is 6.33. And we were trying to determine which one it was going to round to. Well, obviously, looking at this number versus this number, A is closer to the top number, which is 6.34, which is exactly what we wrote in the box. All right, good luck on the rest of them.